Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and today we are tackling more stuff in my vast mass of stuff, crafting supplies, scrapbooking supplies. In front of me today I have a 2-inch, I think it's 2 or is it 3? No, it's 3.5-inch binder. 3.5-inch binder of previously processed, and putting in that quotation marks, die cuts. And this was meant to be more by sort of manufacturer, I guess. So I've got like an American craft section, you know, where I've got Dear Lizzie, Vicky Boutin, you know, all of that kind of stuff. And I also have Paige Evans, Maggie Holmes, I have some Pink Fresh stuff. And if you watch any of my videos, you know that I've recently took Pink Fresh and split it out according to color and put them in my regular color binders. And to be honest, I'm thinking that's probably what I want to do with like Paige Evans, Maggie Holmes, Vicky Boutin, all of that, is just redistribute this by color and add it to my color binders. Now I probably will still keep all of Paige Evans stuff together, all of Maggie Holmes. It'll just be another section in my color section. Am I confusing you? Let me pull a color binder and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this is my yellow binder. I've got a piece of washi tape down the spine so that when it's on the shelf I know that that's what this is for. I also put a piece of yellow cardstock in the front, again just for ease of identification. So I've got all sorts of random yellow sheets, but then if you go to the back here, I've got Pink Fresh. Now I don't have any labels or anything with these yet, but that is something I will probably do, either add a tab or an insert. Haven't quite gotten there yet. We're not at that micromanagement level. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. So I'll have a Pink Fresh section of yellow, a Paige Evans section of yellow, Maggie Holmes of yellow, and then of course anything else that I've got hidden away in this binder. So is that all I'm doing? Nope. So this 3.5-inch binder is what I previously did. Here's my dilemma. This is what I haven't done yet. So I have a bag here full of Paige Evans stuff. I've got a bag full of Maggie Holmes. Lots of stuff to go through. I'm not going to get this done all in one video. So I'm just going to, you know, dive in, so to speak, and I'll show you what progress I make for this video. Again, I wish I could say I'm going to get it all completed, but this is going to take time, and I'd rather show you guys a little bit of progress to encourage you guys along the way. So let me pull all of this off. I think we're going to focus on Maggie Holmes because there's a little bit less than Paige Evans, and we'll take it from there. So let's start with the easy stuff. This is the stuff that I sort of already had pre-adhered, but we're going to transfer these to the color section. So I don't always have the label of the collection, and because I'm going to switch it up by color, it's not really that important. So I do have Carousel and some of the other ones. I don't remember all of the names, so again, that's just going to be broken up. I have a lot of Willow Lane. I have a couple packs of the die cuts. I have the journaling ephemera, a couple packs of those, and I have the stickers. All of these are going to go in the binders. And then I have a couple packs of the foam stickers. To be honest, I could keep them like this, but I think what I'm going to do is put them in this binder as well. This is from Carousel. I'm also going to stick those in the binder. I'm going to stick this in the binder, and I also have this 12 by 12 chipboard. It does have kind of a summer theme to it, and so I think I'm going to stick this in my other season bin. So that's where that's going. And then I've got like the bulky stuff. So I've got charms. So I have a place for charms. So that's where I'm going to add those. Bows. I've got a container for bows. Again, I'm not going to keep these as Maggie Holmes specific. Rub-ons. I also have a container for rub-ons. I hope these are still good. We'll find out. More bows, more bows. And then this decorative fringe, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. And I also have these frames. They're like a wood veneer, is that it? Or plastic? I can't even tell. These are bulky, and so I'm gonna need a solution for this too. I don't know what that is. So, just being real here. Don't know what it looks like, and I will have to figure it out. Let me put away the stuff that I know what I'm doing with, and then I will work on the die cut sticker pages. Guys, I keep my bows in this little container, and as you can see, it is pretty much exploding. So I bought some additional containers like this from Amazon. They're basically the same. The only difference is they don't have the indentation. Now this was part of this box, but like everything, the domino effect is kicking in. Because I have too many bows to fit in this one bin, I'm going to split it up. Whether they ultimately end up back in this box or not, I have no idea. I'm not worrying about it at this point in time. I also had some of these bows from Pink Fresh that I had just tucked in the front because, of course, this box was too full. So I think what I'm going to do is I am actually going to put these in a container by themselves. And the reason why I'm putting them in their own container is because they have two pieces to them in order to make the bow work. And I don't want to have to dig through a box like this to find them. So I think what I'm going to do is take the image from the back of here and just trim that down and add it to the box so I can remember what my options are. So that's just going to go in there. If I really wanted to, I could tape it to the lid. Maybe something I do down the road, but for right now, I am just leaving it in the bin like this. Again, I have no idea where this is going to live. I'm just coming up with solutions on the fly. Now, I have these bows, which were also Maggie Holmes from a different collection, and I have left them on the paper because they have a little bit of a backing on there. But I think what I want to do is I want to pull these off, that down, and then just leave them in a container like this. So get rid of the backing just for space. And I'm going to do the same with these and the other one. Now I have a mix of bows and tassels in here. These bows remind me more of these than something like this or like this. So I'm thinking any of these ones that look more finished, I'm going to move over to this other bin just to free up some space in here. And I'm going to leave these and any tassels in this bin, and I think that should hopefully help. Got some paper clips. Oh look, more of these bows. I need to start using these. It's really what I need to do. I'll be back and show you how this all turns out. So I have the 3 containers, the bow tassel type ones, those ones that you have to assemble, and then the more complete looking bows. So this one is going to go back in that container for now. When I get around to sorting through that stuff, we'll deal with it then. The other thing, these charms I was going to put with my charms, but they are sticker back, so I think I'm just going to add those to the sticker binder instead. And what are we going to do with these frames? I'm hoping that they will fit in one of those containers as well. Let me give that a try. So they just managed to fit. These actually have a pretty decent closure. They're better than the ones actually from Iris Bin, which are a little more hit and miss. So for now, I'm just going to put these on a shelf. Again, you deal with them at a later date. I think this I'm just going to stick in a bin that I have of random ephemera stuff. Again, when I get to it, we'll deal with it. And I'm just going to add these to my... Actually, I'm not going to add them to my rub-ons. Sorry, even though they are rub-ons, I am going to add these to where my words are, because I'm more likely to go there to search for them than necessarily rub-ons. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so all of these items, I don't know if I'm going to keep these. For now, they're just going to go in with my flat stickers, and I will deal with them at a later date. That's kind of how I'm dealing with things I don't know what to do with. These are all pockets, and I didn't want to put them in my die cut sticker binder, so these are just going to go in with my tags and pockets for now. I am purging a few items. I'm going to purge these little critters, these 2 cards that say, hey, looking good, and then the letters that spell magic, mostly just because I didn't want to deal with them. And I just don't see me using these. And then whatever was left went on to these die cut sticker pages. Again, I sorted these by color and I added a tag for Maggie Holmes at the top, and these are just going to go on my regular everyday kind of binders. So I have pink, orange, peachy corals, those kind of colors, yellow, and then I've got greens. And I had some of these acetate sheets and they were a lot of black and metallics and green with a little bit of pink, and I just decided to throw them in the green section. I didn't want to have multiples of these sheets floating around, so that's where they're going. And then I've got like the turquoise colors, teals, that kind of thing, blues, a little bit of purple, a little bit of brown, and then black. And that is all my Maggie Holmes, I think. Other than some 12 by 12 chipboard sheets, which are just, I'm going to leave as is for now. So I think that is it. Next time we're going to tackle Paige Evans. So if you're interested, be sure to click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And until next time, happy organizing.